Let's fill out the Hawaii Boat Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Hey there, and welcome! Let's walk through what you need to know about transferring boat ownership in this state. First, keep in mind, a bill of sale is no longer accepted to transfer ownership here, so you will want to make sure you have the right documents in hand. To get started, you will need the certificate of title. This is the key document for making the transfer official. When it comes to signing, both owners must sign the form, so make sure everyone involved is ready to put pen to paper. Now, the buyer will need to complete an application for transfer by new registered owner or owners, and the seller will need to provide buyer information as part of the process. You will also want to include the date of transfer on your paperwork so everything is properly recorded. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.